Why do we sit with our friends? To overcome our stress, to refresh our mind. I think there should be fun.
I can discuss everything with my father.
Is there any difference between your childhood friend and between that time friend?
Excellent. Childhood friend and adulthood friend.
That your childhood friend and your adulthood friend both are totally different from each other.
Yeah.
Different in such a sense that
There shall be a group discussion on 2 points.
The first, judgmental, to be judgmental. What is meant by that judgment, which he was talking about it. Second, that anger is a quite natural phenomena. So when anger, that appears among our relationships, whether the relationship with the family, relationship with the friends, what should that our behavior be? Your question, please.
How many persons are there in your family? Could you please let us know about any one sincere friend of yours, either he is from your family or outside the family?
This is a very tricky question. If he says that Mr. Ahmed is my sincerest friend,
But he is not the member of the family, it means you are no friend of your family.
Yes.
What kind of family you have? If he says that my father is my best friend, my sincere friend, oh great, it means your family is ideal one. Family and friend together. Family come friend. Family, C-U-M, come. Family come friend. See, how many persons are there in your family? The first thing,
yes.
the first part. And who is your sincere friend, your loyal friend, your beloved friend? Please.
First of all, we are total 6 in numbers, including me. I am the eldest among my brothers and sisters. I do have a younger brother and 2 younger sisters. Secondly, as far as friendship is concerned, so talking about my family, that my father is too much closer to me as compared to my other friends, the friends which are out of my family.
Yeah.
Because being the friend of my father, I can discuss any issue. I do have both the relationships in a single person, as a whole. I can discuss everything with my father. Even I know that my father is a vast visioned person, and he is too much experienced person, so he can guide me through all goods and bads. But if I talk about my friends outside from my family, you know that you all are my friends, and you all are of the same age in which I am. So if I talk about the experience of all of you and I compare it with the experience of my father, so he do have much greater experience, and I can get more and more benefit from that person instead of discussing my point with you all.
Yeah, excellent. Great idea. Question, please.
I don't have any question, but I want to add something. We are friends, we are sitting together. I think we should have fun. If we don't have fun, what will we do in dry environment like seeing each other face? Why do we sit with our friends? To overcome our stress, to refresh our mind. I think there should be fun and funny moment, enjoy each other.
see, it's we to keep one thing in mind during the company with our friends. Only one phrase to follow.
It's we to laugh with the people or laugh at the people. It's we to laugh with the friends or it's we to laugh at the friends.
Yes.
The moment your friends start believing or thinking that he is embarrassing me, that's not fun. That's not fun. Yes. Fun is then when everybody starts enjoying that. Without believing that somebody else is that embarrassing him. So no embarrassment, and among friends there's no embarrassment.
In this context, I would love to share my understanding.
You know that I am the PTA lover, and great majority of my friends, you know who they are? From PMLN.
Yes.
You can't imagine sometime what happens that they cross limits. In which sense? As far as Imran Khan is concerned.
But I never pollute my words in any sense. I respect their point of view and I readily hear them with a simple request to speak with logic, reason and substantial evidence. And the same I try to follow when I talk about their leader without hurting their feelings. We always respect each other, keeping our political differences aside.
Wahhabi, but I don't like this name. But people generally call us that he's Wahhabi. I don't like this name, not at all. And you can say that how strict a Wahhabi can be. But a great number of my friends, they are even from non-Muslims, from that Shia school of thought, from Railway school of thought. Mr. Madani, see, we have two opposite thoughts, but he's so close to me. I ask for Jummah prayer, most of the time. Even yesterday I was there. So it's we to develop the habit of the culture of coexistence. Yes. What? Coexistence. That I have some thought, I should have the liberty to express it. Same is the case with other person. That person has some thoughts, and he should be given the opportunity, the freedom to express that. We should respect everybody, but we should never insult, embarrass anyone. Within the limits, we can have fun. Otherwise, that's not fun. That's my understanding. You want to add something?
No, sir.
Can I please add to this?
Yeah.
I'm going to give the example of our own class. You were saying that we make fun of each other. We don't make fun of each other. We make fun with each other.
Yeah.
For example, I crack a joke to Mr. Hassan.
Yeah.
As we were doing before this presentation.
Yeah.
So Mr. Hassan was also enjoying that activity. Mr. Hassan was also cracking jokes on me. I was cracking on Mr. Fazan, and this whole activity was carried out all over the circle. So now secondly, I am going to tell you that you do have friends, and every friend do have a separate level in your mind, the level of closeness.
True.
We also do have some girls in our class, but we never make any joke or any laughter regarding them. Why? Because we don't have that level of frankness or friendship with them.
True.
Because first of all, it's a demand of our society. Secondly, we don't have that much closeness to them as compared to the closeness which we do have all around our own selves.
True.
Basically, making joke, or you can say that making anyone embarrassed requires criticism. If you are criticizing that next person again and again, over and over on a point, you are doing this wrong, you are embarrassing him. But if you are making some jokes in front of him, that you know that this quality, bad thing is not present in that person, so and that person is also enjoying your talk, then it's not anything bad in that.
शाह जी मैंने भी छोड़ दे तुसी तो मेरे नाल वो करेंदे जड़ा मतलब तौबत
यही तो मोहब्बत है ना
चंगा अगले बंदे ने मांड कर देती जाने ये मोहब्बत है सारे
बैक बाइटिंग वाला सीन है.
My question is there any difference between your childhood friend and between that friend, at that time friend?
Excellent. Childhood friend and adulthood friend.
And what do you do when you get angry with your friend and your friend get angry with you?
MashaAllah. What a quality question Mr. Amir has asked.
That what's the difference between two friends? Your childhood friends and your adulthood friends, first. And second, know that anger is a quite natural phenomenon. Anger is quite natural. So what do you do when your friends show anger at you, and what do their friends do when you show anger at them? What could I understand? Yeah.
That your childhood friend and your adulthood friend both are totally different from each other. Different in such a sense that in your childhood you are not even mature. You don't have the sense to judge the person whether he is bad or not, whether he is good to you or bad. You can see that I do have also 2 to 3 friends which were with me in my childhood, but nowadays they are even criminals. They have indulged themselves in bad habits, so they are not my friends right now, because I made myself distanced from them. At that place, when you are in your childhood, at that spot, you don't know what a person will do when he gets mature. But on the point when you are mature, as you were talking about the adulthood friends, so at that point you also do have a sense to judge the next person. You can also feel that the person who is with me, whether he do have some good habits or all he is surrounded by bad habits. If there are good habits, it means that you can change that person. But if that person is surrounded all by bads, then I think that the growth of that person, it was carried out in such atmosphere. The factor of anger, we can easily see that anger results in hatred. And if you are a true friend of any person, or if that person is sincere or true friend with you, there doesn't exist anger. It often happens that you disagree with the point of view of your sincere friend, or he disagrees with your point of view. At that place you can convince that person. You can't tell him that I'm not talking to you again on this topic, or we should dismiss our friendship, or that's not friendship. If someone tells you to close your friendship or to dismiss it, then you can think that he is not even loyal to you, who is in fact forgetting all those memories, all those relations, and time spent with you on even a small point. You can convince your friend by giving logical reasons, not by showing anger or by aggression. Aggression always results in...
That's the point. Now see, we are going to postpone this session. Now there was one point which I left now that we want to discuss in the second half. Now what was that? Do you remember? Judgment. No. So we will discuss that now, that in a group discussion now. Not this presentation. There shall be a group discussion on 2 points now. The first, that judgmental, to be judgmental. What is meant by that judgment, no, which he was talking about it. Second, no, that anger is a quite natural phenomena. So when anger, no, that appears, no, that among our relationships, no, whether the relationship with the family, relationship with the friends, what should, no, that our behavior be. So these 2 points we are going to discuss, no, on some days to come, no, but not over here in this way. We shall be sitting over there now, that in a group now, and it shall be discussed in a session known as group discussion.
Yes, sir.
So really thank you very much. It was a nice session. I personally learnt a lot from all of you. See you on Monday. Inshallah.